oil and coat it with beeswax. The board turned out amazing. Every inlay fit perfectly with no gaps or glue lines. I'm really proud of my work, and I'm so grateful to my clients for giving me the opportunity to bring their ideas to life. And yes, this is a cutting board. You can cut on it, and with proper care, it will last for decades. Thank you all for watching, liking, and commenting. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Broinwood, where I post my work more often.